Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my hair from curly slash kinky to straight for a blowout, just stretching my hair essentially without any kind of heat damage or any kind of damage. So let's get into this video. So just like with anything else I do when it comes to my hair, I'm going to section my hair off to make my life easier. And I'm going to start with like little pieces because I want it to be really as straight as it can be. And I'm going to be using the tension method, so I'm going to comb out my hair first. And for the mesh method, I'm going to be using my diamond brush, so I'm just going to make sure that I can glide easily through. I'm going to take my heat protectant first, and this is the one I'm using. I'm going to spray it all around. You need to make sure that you're using a heat protectant when you do this, so that, well, obviously so that you don't run into any kind of problems with heat damage. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just run it down the hair shaft on medium heat, so it's not too much. Okay, do you see that? But we're not done. Then I'm going to take the brush again and I'm going to brush through my hair. Remove any kind of tangles. Then I'm going to put this here, and as I'm brushing down, I'm going to be blow drying it down the shaft. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm done with this side, and I just wanted to come and do like a little comparison kind of thing. So this side is stretched obviously. And this side is still curly and shrunken, so I'm going to do this side too, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm done stretching my hair and this is what it looks like. It looks really nice. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative or helpful. If it was, remember to give me a thumbs up and comment. Also, please subscribe to support me and turn on my post notifications when you subscribe so you get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.